Ultra-processed bread has infiltrated American diets more than we realize. It all began in the 20th century when industrialization revolutionized food production. Manufacturers started adding preservatives, artificial flavors, and sweeteners to extend shelf life and enhance taste. This convenience came at a cost. Many of these breads contain refined flour, high fructose corn syrup, and additives that can disrupt our gut health and contribute to obesity. The average consumer often overlooks the ingredient list, drawn in by marketing claims of being soft or fresh. In reality, these breads lack the nutrients found in whole grain options. They can spike blood sugar levels, leaving us feeling hungry shortly after eating. As health-conscious consumers, it's crucial to read labels and choose breads made from whole, minimally processed ingredients. By making informed choices, we can reclaim our health and push back against the ultra-processed trend that has taken over our tables.